I withdrew $5,000 from Expert Option, and yes, it cleared. No hype, just step-by-step screenshots and the exact process I followed. Here's a verified balance screenshot showing $5,000 available to withdraw. Before withdrawing, I completed account verification and linked my payment method. Next, I'll walk through the 4 quick steps to withdraw the full amount. Follow these on-screen callouts and the screenshots for exact buttons and fields. Step 1. Log into Expert Option and go to your wallet or account balance. Step 2. Select Withdraw and choose the linked payment method you verified earlier. Step 3. Enter $5,000. Check fees, then tap Continue or Confirm. Step 4. Complete 2-factor authentication and any final identity confirmation. A confirmation popped up and I received a withdrawal success screenshot and email receipt. Recap. Verify your account. Pick the right method. Enter $5,000, confirm, and track the receipt. If you want the full screenshots and a step checklist, click the link below.